You need to hear this if you're a foodie. Love fresh snacks? Here's the magic happening in your fridge. Right, let's dive in. Your refrigerator's heart is the compressor. It squeezes a gas called refrigerant, turning it into a high-pressure, high-temperature liquid. Sounds fancy, right? Next, this hot liquid zips through coils at the back, releasing heat. It's like your fridge taking a chill pill. The liquid then cools down and enters the fridge through an expansion valve. It expands and turns back into gas, absorbing heat inside the fridge. That's why it feels cold when you open the door. So the next time you grab a snack, remember, it's all thanks to the compressor, coils, and the marvel of refrigerants. Cool, huh? Stay curious and keep exploring the science in everyday life. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick science breakdowns. Cheers!